Hi dolls, today is going to be a different video. We're not doing no makeup looks today. I just got my Jeffree Star Deluxe Mystery Box in the mail, so we're gonna be opening this. I have already cut the tape, so I'm able to open it a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so this was the box that retailed for, not retailed, that went for $70. The retail value was like over 150, so more than that. I don't remember. I was just super excited to get it. This one has 10 items. So the first item we got was an orange pop socket. I love these things. I gave my daughter the first one I have. The first one I got, that black and pink one, and then I've kept the rest of them ever since. Super happy it's orange. It is my favorite color. Next item we have is one of the single metal straws. Super excited about this too. I haven't bought packages of them yet, but I have a feeling after I start using this one, I'm gonna have to buy a box in every color. That's super cool. Alright, next we have a velour lip scrub in strawberry gum. Now, I've never used one of his lip scrubs before. Oh, that's a pretty big package. That's nice. I'm trying to think of, I mean, it smells like strawberries, but like, it reminds me of something. I just can't put my finger on what it reminds me of. Might not be my favorite one, but then again, I have never tried any of them, so super excited about this. If I like this, then I'm going for the blue raspberry sucker because I'm a sucker for blue raspberry. Super excited to try this out. All right, next we have a velour lip liner in Dominatrix. I love the packaging on these. In one of the other mystery boxes I got, I received the Tosh Spice lip liner, and this packaging is super cute, guys. Love it. And then we'll do a swatch here. Take off my watch. It'll be easier. This is Dominatrix swatched on the hand. Let's see if that helps. Dominatrix. Yeah, that worked. I don't know about any of you, but I like to keep the boxes as intact as possible. But I hate this little part in the boxes. This little part right here where the hole is. That is my kryptonite on these boxes. Okay, we'll just get that back in later. All right, next we have a velour liquid lipstick in the color, let's give me 2 seconds, in the color Mannequin. I do not have this shade. I heard that this is a pretty shade, a pretty nude. This is what it looks like. Yeah, we'll swatch this on the back of the hand. Mannequin right next to Dominatrix. I'll wear it. But honestly, there's not a color I wouldn't wear by Jeffree Star. I'm just saying. The next color that I got was Poinsettia. I've never seen anything. I've never seen this color before, but this is super pretty. It's like a metallic red color. Ooh, yes. Yes, honey. There's Poinsettia. That might not be doing it justice. Yes. Super happy with what I've gotten so far. And then we got another lipstick in Diva. I've got, out of this collection of these ones, I think I have all but like 1 or 2 more out of these. And the first 3 I got, I loved, so I'm assuming I will too with this one. This looks like a pretty bright pink. This is Diva. It's gonna be bright because I'm so white. Oh yeah, that is bright on my skin, but I still wear it. So that top one is Diva. And then looks like the last liquid lip is the limited edition that was only in the premium and the deluxe boxes. And this is the question mark. I'm super excited about this one. Not even gonna lie, this is really the only reason why I wanted the box. Super pretty. It's like a nude pink color, and it's got the same packaging as the Jawbreaker ones, but that is a super pretty color. Let's go ahead and get this swatch. Ooh, yes. Yep. I love it. The top one is the question mark. That's probably gonna be like one of my go-to everyday like work lipsticks. I like it a lot. Super pretty. Thank you, Jeffree. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Next item is a Supreme Frost. This will now be the 3rd Supreme Frost that I own. I own Frozen Peach and Diamond Wet, and this one is Hypothermia. Hypothermia and Money Honey were like 2 of the big ones that I wanted. So I'm super happy I got Hypothermia. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks gorgeous. Yes, look at that. Super pretty. Oh yes. Let's swatch this. Oh, I'm in love with it already. It's got like purple and blue reflex in it. It's probably hard to see on here. Yeah, see, lights don't do it justice, but it is super pretty. I cannot wait to wear it. You can't even see it on my finger. Darn it, but oh, there it is, a little bit better. Super pretty. The Frozen Peach one is like a whole bunch of glitter, and it's cute, but not really my thing. This definitely seems like it's gonna be a lot better. It's super gorgeous. I am in love with it already. I cannot wait to use this. Yes. Yes. Just cover my body in this. And then the last thing in the box is a shirt. His shirts are super comfy. This will be the 3rd one I've got, all of them from mystery boxes. The one I'm currently wearing is the one from the Valentine's Day box that was limited edition for that. Love it. I just got hypothermia on my shirt. That's okay. So this is the front of the shirt. It's all black with the Jeffree Star logo and like that chartreuse yellow green color. And on the back it says, "Hi, how are you?" Excuse me, hi, how are ya? Gosh, I ordered smaller than what I normally do, and this still looks like it's gonna be huge. Yes. Super cute. I'll wear it. Don't care about the size. I make it look cute. I'm super happy with this. $70, definitely worth it. I love everything I got in this box and everything I received in the box I do not own, which is even a bigger plus for me because now I don't have any duplicates. It's brand new stuff that I get to play with, and I'm super happy about hypothermia, let me tell you. Okay, well, have a great night, dolls. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.